Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. I am Dear Rahman. Today I will show you a video about how to write link and how to color it. So watch this video very carefully. Before starting this video, I have a request to you all that subscribe to my channel I am Dear Rahman and like. Firstly, you have to take a text document, and I have shown you this taking a new text document by your mouse right click and go to new and go to text document, and you will get this text document and write there. And I have gotten this by clicking, and I have written all codes of this. For doing link color and for writing link, you have to write this body element, and after writing body you have to write a link, and you have to put color. I have put here red. After writing this, you have to write paragraph element or p element, and I have written here this text. Click here to go, and I have used a attribute a sref equal, and I have put here link http www.google.com, and I have kept this text visible search, and I have closed this by closing tag a closing tag and p closing tag. So this is the codes to put link and to color link. This course is very important for doing, and you have to concentrate to write these this link very carefully, and you have to put this closing tag very carefully, and now save this file as .html any location on your PC. I choose the location desktop and write here .html, and you should save this file .html to open your PC browser as HTML file and save, and it has done. This is your HTML file of writing codes, and open it by your browser. Open, and you can watch this link and visible text. If you click this link, the link will be visible. This link that we have written before, and this is the text, visible text. So I hope you have learned to watch this video, and you can avail this theory to write HTML code in future. So again, I request you all subscribe to my channel MD Rahman to get more updates. Thank you.